Many people hold on to painful memories from their past, allowing them to overshadow their present. They remain sad and stop truly living. This is the story of a 16-year-old student named Alex, who was trapped in his past sorrows and unable to enjoy the present. One day, Mr. Carter, the class teacher, was giving a lesson. The students were engaged, listening attentively, and answering every question enthusiastically. But amidst them was Alex, who sat silently, lost in his thoughts. Mr. Carter had noticed this before. For 4 or 5 days, he observed how Alex remained quiet, while his classmates actively participated. Finally, one day, he decided to call Alex to his office after class. When Alex arrived, Mr. Carter gently asked, "Son, why do you always seem so withdrawn? Is something bothering you?" Alex hesitated. "Sir, it's just that something happened in my past that still troubles me." Mr. Carter could see that Alex was struggling to open up. So, with a warm smile, he said, "Why don't you come to my house this evening? We can talk there." Alex agreed. That evening, Alex visited Mr. Carter's house. The teacher welcomed him inside and asked him to sit while he went to the kitchen. A few minutes later, he returned with a glass of lemonade. However, he had intentionally added too much salt to it. "Here you go, Alex," Mr. Carter said, handing him the drink. Alex took a sip and immediately made a strange face. The excessive salt had made the lemonade taste terrible. Seeing Alex's reaction, Mr. Carter asked, "What's wrong? Didn't you like it?" Alex hesitated but replied, "No, sir. It's just that there's a little too much salt." Mr. Carter nodded. "So the lemonade is ruined? Should I throw it away?" Alex quickly shook his head. "No, sir. There's no need to waste it. We can just add some sugar to balance the taste." Hearing this, Mr. Carter smiled. "That's exactly what I wanted to tell you, Alex. This lemonade is like your life. The extra salt represents the bitter memories of your past. Just like we can't remove the salt from the lemonade, you can't erase the painful events from your past, but you can add sugar, new happy experiences, to change the taste of your life." Alex sat in silence, absorbing the lesson. If you keep focusing on the salt, the bitterness will never leave, Mr. Carter continued. But if you add sweetness by living in the present and cherishing good moments, you will find happiness. Don't let your past control your future. Alex finally understood. That day, he decided to stop dwelling on the past and start embracing life with a fresh perspective. Moral of the story: we cannot change what has happened in the past, but we can control how we move forward. Holding on to painful memories will only ruin our present and future. Instead, we should focus on creating new, happy experiences and live life to the fullest.